With computers going out of date just about every 3 years, a lot of families are starting to find their houses accumulating a lot of old PCs. Hi, I'm Charles Stewart Jr. I'm going to tell you how to sell or donate those old PCs. One of the first things you got to know up front is you're not going to get what you put into it. That's one of the things that's kind of sucks about computers is they depreciate very quickly. So if you spent $2,000 on a computer, don't expect that you can turn around and sell that for $1,000. Really, if it's been a few years or it's 3 or 4 or even 5 years old, you're probably only going to get a couple hundred, at the most $500 for it, because technology's improved and changed so much that your computer's become obsolete, and that's one of the reasons you've probably swapped out your computer for a new one. With that being said, so if you're going to sell it, you can try places like eBay or Craigslist, and just put it on there and be upfront with your specs, because that's what people are going to want to know about. When you bought the computer, try to find the sheet or run a diagnostic program to see what kind of processor you're running and what kind of RAM and hard drive space, because these are all questions people are going to want to know. Also about networking, whether it's you've got wireless built into it or you've got a wireless card. So that's the best thing. Go to eBay or Craigslist, take pictures of it. Definitely you want to clean it up. Go in there, open up the case, blow it out, so it looks new. You don't want to try to sell someone a computer that's just full of dust, because it's just going to make them think you didn't take care of it, which you probably have. It's just over time dust will accumulate in your computer. Now, if you decided it's not worth your time to sell it because it's not enough money and you want to donate it somewhere, a lot of schools or programs for underprivileged children are great places to do that. And the great thing is it can be a tax write-off as well. So look for churches, contact your education bureau, and see if they're taking donations for your old computers. And you'll be surprised. There's a lot of communities that have programs set up. So just make a few calls and look into that, and it can be very rewarding for underprivileged families to get a computer, which might be old for you, but they can still get on and do the basics that they need to do. So that's pretty much the gist of getting rid of, selling or donating your old computer.